right, here we have this 2019 Photonic Blue X5 with the 20-inch wheels here. Just recently traded back in here. There is your X5 badging. It is all-wheel drive. It still has a trailer hitch as well. There is remote engine start capable, and then we'll pop open the trunk. So power upper and lower tailgate as we hit this button here. Checking out that cargo area. Your second row of seats do fold down if you need more space, and we'll hit the button to close it back up. You see you do have running boards on this vehicle as well. And we'll check out those 20-inch wheels. Comfort access, keyless entry for the vehicle with the beautiful Cognac leather interior. You got ventilation here in the second row. You also have heated seats in the second row. You got your infotainment system up front with iDrive 7. And then your panoramic moonroof. Next stop will be the driver's seat. You see it is BMW certified. You have remaining factory warranty as well. Checking out that front fascia. And this was the year that they changed the body style for this vehicle, 2019. We hop in here. We'll check out the mileage at 31,193. We'll put it in drive mode. Completely digital instrument cluster, which is exclusive to iDrive 7. You got your cruise control, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth and entertainment, push button start. Then we have our iDrive screen. It is touchscreen. You do have navigation. There, you got your rear view camera, front and rear parking sensors, automatic parking capability as well. We do have Apple CarPlay. Here we go, as long as the technology is available. Heated seats among our AC unit buttons here. Wireless charging tray there. We do have our shifter and our iDrive knob. Then we also have a head-up display showing our speed limit on the windshield and turn-by-turn directions when your navigation is active. So there you have it. Model year 2019 X5 Photonic Blue with Cognac interior, 20-inch wheels, 31,000 miles. Still has remaining factory warranty and is BMW certified. Just traded in here. It's looking for a new home. So let us know how we can help you, because we'd love to see you in it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.